Hello, animal lovers. Welcome to my channel, The Animal Zoo. I am again presenting to you an interesting video about giraffes. Giraffes are amazing animals that have many fascinating features and adaptations. Let's have a look about some facts of the world giraffes that you might not know. Giraffes are the tallest mammals in the world, reaching up to 19 feet in height. Their long neck allows them to access leaves and bonds that other herbivores cannot reach. Giraffes have some four distinct species: northern, southern, stipulate, and mossy. Each species has a different coat pattern and live in different regions of Africa. Giraffes have a bluish purple tongue that is about 45 to 50 centimeters long. They use their tongue to pluck food from the branches of trees and clean their noses. Their tongue color helps to protect it from sunburn. Giraffes have horns called ocasionals that are present at birth. These horns lie flat on the head and are not attached to the skull to avoid injury during birth. They fuse with their being after giraffes. They are very intellectual animals in the world. Giraffes only need to drink water once a very few days. They get most of their water from the plants they eat. When they do drink, they have to spread their legs and bend their knees to reach the water surface, which makes them vulnerable to predators. Giraffes birth to standing up, which means that their claws fall about 2 meters to the ground. Despite their stark claws can stand up within hours and run with their mothers after 10 hours. Giraffes are endangered animals that faces many threats such as habitat loss, poaching disease, and climate change. They have already gone extinct in at least 7 countries in Africa.